How to turn off voice on Roku TV. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to turn off voice on your Roku TV. So let's get started. So first thing what you want to do is to turn off your voice on Roku TV, you need to disable this option called screen reader feature on your TV. So this can be done by navigating to the accessibility settings as you can read in the Roku menu, or by using the shortcut on your remote. So there are basically two different methods. So in the method one, you need to go to your settings on your Roku TV home screen, select accessibility and choose the screen reader option and simply toggle it off. And for method two, you need to enter use your remote. So first just locate the asterisk button, also known as start button, on your Roku remote and press the asterisk button at least 4 times quickly, and this will toggle the screen reader on or off. If you want to re-enable it, you can always repeat either of these method. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.